Hari Om. My name is Meenakshi Sharma and Meera Road Upasana Kendra. Well, I'm going to narrate a very small incident which happened and which kind of changed my life because it was a special moment for me, and it was only with Bapu's grace that I could pass it or completely overcome it. So let me just start. It's an attempt. So Bapu koi galti ho to maaf karna. So what happened was when Corona started. So this was the 20th of March, I believe, a Thursday, Friday kind of a thing. We were all kind of packing our bags, there's not going to be office band hone wala hai. And because office is going to be closed, we have to have managers. I work in an MNC company and I have a team reporting into me, which is more than 100 people. And for me, it was like, okay, you have to just pack up things and just go away kind of. But it wasn't that small. It was a big logistic drive. When we were asked overnight to deliver some stuff to everybody's house, prepare a big list with people's location, do they have internet facilities and all that. And then this big list, as most MNCs have, they have a spreadsheet maintained for all this. And a coordination of the spreadsheet is the biggest task. But it all went well at the end, which I'll tell you how. So the spreadsheet had different teams, and within teams you had sub-teams. Within sub-teams you had people who were important 1, important level 2, important level 3, important level 4, so on and so forth. But what happened was when I was doing the spreadsheet, I don't know, the data was completely ready. I was just about to submit it to my manager. And I don't know what happened, it just got clicked on a particular position which didn't sort the data well. I mean, say Meenakshi Sharma, Meera Road should be the location, but it went to Meenakshi Sharma, Dombivli location. And it was such a mess, I didn't know how to redo the sheet, or should I do a previous version save as, or how do I correct it? It was such a big blunder. And it was not only my department, it was a complete console list. And trust me, with that nervousness, I just took Bapu's and I said, Bapu, I have to sort this out, and I only have 2 hours to take my transport. It was a Friday night, I clearly remember. We had the first ladies 10 o'clock transfer, which I missed. The transport was missed. And I'm like, okay, the next one is going to be 1:30 early morning, so let me just try that. I called up mom, I said, Mom, बहुत packing चल रही है, so I really need to wait back in office and get the things arranged for everybody. There's Corona which has come up, a new disease, and mommy like, no, you have to come home, it is 10 o'clock, and I was like, Mommy, please hold on, I have lots to catch up, and please pray to Bapu that सब चीज़ बराबर से हो जाए. Mom was like, okay, I cut the phone with great difficulty. I had to convince her. I did that. And when I went back to my desk, I said, Bapu, it's only you who's going to give you a start, and please take it on from here because I have lost it. And it was since 3:30 in the afternoon, immediately after lunch, when we had to sit on the spreadsheet and work it out. And we did all things. And by the time it was 9:30, 10 o'clock transport ke chakkar mein, I messed up the complete thing. Then somebody prompted me that, Meenakshi, you know what, that list which was required previously, the copy which you have sent across, that's in your sent folder. So I think it was a revision which you were really worried about. We were just talking to each other because it's a manager post, and I cannot keep telling my subordinates that I've messed up a spreadsheet, and being a manager, this is not something which is expected from you. And I just casually told her, so this is what I've done. I don't know how to rectify it. She said, Meenakshi, I think you've already sent an email. Why don't you just click on the send button and just double check it? Trust me, I took Bapu's and I said, Bapu, this is the only alternative which I have now. There is no other way, otherwise full sheet have to be reworked with all emails to be cross-checked, spreadsheet will say console and all that. And trust me, that sent version which I had sent, that file when I opened, it opened into my download option which is connected to my mobile, and in my mobile I had the spreadsheet version which was required and which clearly showed Meenakshi Meera Road. And the moment I saw that, I actually started with my name. I said, Bapu, I think I've kind of got it. Let me just do another double check. So what I did, I do a VLOOKUP. I do complete location VLOOKUP, forget the names. I said, let me get the locations right. I did the VLOOKUP and location. It was perfect. It was true all the way through. Right from column number 1 to column number 673. I'm not very number conscious as such, but the moment you say 7 and 3 and 6, there's something which turns out to be my logical number, and I was like, okay, I think I've really got it. And it was just by Bapu's grace that everything went well, and that spreadsheet which I took, I did a VLOOKUP for, and 12:30, midnight, yes, it was all ready, and I resent the sheet to my manager. I said, apologies, but this is the right one. And with that one consolidated master spreadsheet, the full department ran with laptop distribution to everybody's residence, right from the office location Vikhroli till Dombivli and even Uran for that matter, because I had captured address, mobile numbers and second mobile numbers also. So it was great effort, great teamwork, but it was only Bapu who actually did the filtering for me and the VLOOKUP really worked. So it was all because of Bapu, and it is he who told me that just keep patience. I did utter Om Manas Samardata Shri Aniruddhaya Namaha, and all was sorted. It wasn't easy, but it wasn't too difficult also. And this comes up only to you if you remember him daily. It doesn't work out because you're in trouble. You say Om Manas Samardata. It doesn't work out that way. Every moment, every breath that you take, the moment you remember Bapu, Bapu is always looking at you. But it's only who you are looking at, and then he helps you. So Bapu like ek Vishwas asawa purta. Karta Harta Guru Aisa, and I truly believe in it. It's Bapu's grace that I've managed this 2 years Corona period with too much of work from home for everybody. It wasn't easy, with more than 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours work, full day work in fact. But it was really difficult, but we really came out well. And I'm lucky, I'm proudly saying I'm lucky that I survived the 2 years period. And today we have Kurukshetram, which is open for us. Although the gates have opened, one day we will get into it. But Bapu's done that start, and we are also here the beginners. So Hari Om Shri Ram Amgar Natsam.